Okay, what is going on, everybody? Hold on, sorry, I'm in a Zoom meeting for school. What is your I don't know what that is. Yep. So today we're going to be running another backtesting trading session. Try and see if we can hire that win weight, hire that win rate, and get out a bitch boy break even. Um, Yep. So honestly, I think I might make this one super long. So instead of just like skipping through whenever I take a trade, I'll just do the whole entire analyzing. Yeah. I think I'll do that. I think I'll do some trade offs. Maybe we'll see. I mean inversion. Shit, I'm gonna long this bitch right here. That ass. Holy. Yeah. So looking at this, obviously pretty bullish. We've been expanding. Now it looks like we came down, we tapped this discount 4-hour gap, we generated liquidity to the buy side. Looks like we're primed for longs. Bro, I honestly think I'm just gonna rip this. I like this. I don't see why I wouldn't. Oh, what is the date? August 15th. I will skip through this. It's gonna take forever. Okay, I'm back. I journaled that. So we do have external draws beyond this high. We have equal highs with this high, and then we have these highs over here. So my teacher was talking about an assignment or something. I don't know. I don't pay attention in this class, so I don't know what homeboy's talking about. I had to lock in for a second. I'm trying to figure out what I want to target. I'm just gonna keep this simple. 1 to 1. Rip this. Nice break even point. Holy bunkers. Yeah, look, he could have held that. Oh my gosh, bro. That was low-key kind of invalid. Bro, this was the 5-minute. I'm such a dumbass. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm gonna just act like it's a 5-minute. Okay, I'm gonna throw this in the journal right quick and I'll be back. Okay, we went ahead and threw that in the journal. Now I'm gonna see what price action wants to give us. So we swept that DOL. No clear inversion yet. 3-minute for IE up tap right here. Massive SMT. Damn. Yep, so ES is going to want to continue higher towards our draw liquidity. Bang, here's that. Now we can probably want to look for that rebalance now. Sought another 5-minute gap. There's no entry. It actually looks like a really good short. Alright, yeah, I'm not looking at that anymore. Bang, let's go into the next day. Accumulation. It's probably gonna be the same exact bias. We're super bullish. We've been super bullish. We have no SMT at the high. What's our resistance time? No. Pretty good. We're still holding that 4-hour gap. Both pairs. Okay, let me throw this in a journal. Give me 1 second. Alright, so I'll go over this bias super quick. So we clearly pretty much same thing as yesterday. We've been trending higher. We started accumulating. Now I just want to see maybe manipulate lower, take this low inside of a gap, and then continue higher and take out that higher draw on liquidity. But if we do decide to displace to this value gap, then I'd be bearish, and I'd love to target this lower liquidity here. It's really good. Hold on. From SMT with that low. Yo, what? Alright, right here. Looks like a little PDI mile lower. 2 minute. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna fade this simply just because 10 a.m. is right here, but this does look pretty good. We're holding that low on ES, not so much on NQ, but it still looks pretty good. Huge rejection from these lower for value gaps. We tapped this discount at 15 minute, little PDI mono accumulation, manipulated into that 15 minute, and now we're getting an inversion. Damn, is that a 5 minute? Yeah. So we'll see what 10 a.m. brings us to do. We're 3 minute here. No rejection. Okay. No, it's not an SMT. That's a weird looking SMT. So we have an SMT with this low here. We just been wait a minute. I'm not taking any of that. This actually looks really good though. Okay. One thing to note here is we got some uncorrelated pairs along with some ass cheap price action. Oh my gosh. So we're still in this accumulation zone on ES, but NQ looks like we want to go lower. So I'm just going to stay out of anything right here and just see what we want to do. But now I'll be looking for shorts because you get that 15-minute inversion and target this lower liquidity here. Honestly, I'd be scared shitless to short because why do we have the lowest LR above us? Okay, hold on. Massive SMT. This isn't the final draw, but we can definitely rebalance here. Okay, so this mech model has some love to it. I delivered from this 1 hour here. Come on, Brubski. The roof from this 1 hour here and these holy stutter for value gaps. We have an SMT there, 5 minute above paired with all this LR. And I think this is a 1 minute inversion. 2 minute, 3 minute. Oh, invalid. Oh, invalid. Yeah, we got the 1 minute. There's a 3 minute, 4 minute, a 5 minute. Okay, so now it looks like we're validating bullish structure. We might want to clear the rest of this LR that we have here. Do we have any inversions? I see a 1 minute here. It's a 2 minute, no. 3 minute, no. 4 minute, no. 5 minute, no. 11 a.m. Why the hell I got so late? This actually looks pretty good though. I think I'm gonna take this. Just kidding. I'll just forward dash. Going in fruit. 1 to 1. Bang. Would have won. I don't care. Honestly, nothing I love today besides this really good fade here. Really good fade. I can see us taking order long. Alright, I'm gonna journal this. Give me a sec. Going over my deal is super easy. 9 times out of 10. All it is, I mean, what are we doing? Like, what does it look like price is headed towards? We're selling off extremely hard, so I'm just expecting you guys to keep doing that. At least towards these lows look really good. We don't have any, like, prominent bearish SMTs. We don't have any, like, prominent bullish SMTs. So we're clearly selling off hardware. I mean, these are super obvious. These are super obvious, but both pairs took this. We could react. We could not. We'll see come market open. That's crazy. Damn, man. gonna rip this though. We got this pairs open higher, swept this liquidity. SMT with this 1 hour gap right here. Now we're getting extreme, supreme, Baleem, speed and displacement down here. Yo, this might not work. As long as we're above all these gaps, fine with this. Triple on the 1 nail with that draw on liquidity. Got LR right there. Make sure for low hanging fruits, not high resistance high. We'll rip this clean. Yo, hold on. Before we get too hype, 830 CPI. Okay, took out that data high. On both pairs. Right, the rest is save and journal. Just flush the TP. ES is gooning around. This trade just makes sense. Follows our draw on liquidity because they're super bearish. Got that external draw. We open higher. Speed and displacement. I mean, this trade looks good. Really good. Only thing is, we had an SMT with that 1 hour. It's not really much else for me to say. Yeah, we can play this out a little and see what market does. Now we hit this prominent key level. We probably want to see a rebalance higher. Down low. That's a really stupid. I hate when we do this and we don't like take the low. Here's your displacement. I don't really like these. I don't really love these higher draws now. I guess you can want to target this high, but it just hit a key level. We SMT with it, but we hit a new key level, so I guess it's not sponsored anymore. Oh, we SMT'd with it. Yeah. That actually was a pretty spiffy looking short. Bang right here. SMT with that high version. LR. 1-to-1. Yeah. Okay. I'll journal this and then I'll be back for the next day. You know, I just sitting here and like journaling this. I was like, okay, I'm up 2-0 on the week. I'm just gonna trade really conservative. Only take setups that I love. But it's like, bro, what are you saying? Like, you should be taking setups that you love anyways. Like, no matter what you're up or down on the week. Discretionary, short, main, fine, everything. Bias, order flow, speed. I mean, yeah, this is pretty textbook. It was exactly to the T what I wanted to see coming out of this day. Damn, it looks like chop work. Oh, that's not it. Was it? That's what you get. Man, I don't know why I was getting stop rated so much last week. That shit was just... Oof. To... 8:30 news. Super valid draw on liquidity. We'll see, man. We'll see. My trading streak usually ends at 2, though. Damn, that's actually so embarrassing. That's bad. Alright, looking at what the highs and lows above us did, I don't think I'm gonna want to trade towards this. Yeah, I don't think so at all. I mean, you could say these lows did the same thing. Actually, they did pretty much do the same exact thing. But I just see this bearish leg. I'm like, oh, bearish leg, bearish. But so this, we went here. Sponsored. Bang went here. Why didn't we take this? But honestly, just looking at this, there's no clear bias. Just gonna show those very quick. No clear bias. Sponsored. Holy sponsored. Sponsored. Highs and lows on both sides. Shoot, close enough, man. I'm a genius. Just kidding. You might. Okay, so we're sweeping a 1 hour, a low. Oh my god, a low inside of a 1 hour. We see if we react from there. All are above. Oh my gosh, I hate FX replay. Bro, I was trying to make thumbnails earlier. Literally made me want to kill myself. It was the most like hard for no reason thing to possibly do. Okay. As of right now, we're definitely validating bullish structure 100%. That's why I don't really love either side. That's why I don't know. Do we have any SMTs? Yes. SMT. It's not the best looking SMT. Five-minute gap above. We got some external draws of liquidity right there. Some pretty trash RR. Honestly, this is kind of like building on me. I kind of like this. Market, we open lower. We got 9 a.m. 9:30 high right here. And we have a 5-minute gap. I think for either side, that would look really good. We can see it. And we got external draws on liquidity. Besides this 5-minute gap, Yeah, I don't like how we're not. Let me look at this for a second more. Give me a second. Nah, I'm just not going to take this simply because, one, it's taking me too long to think about it. And we got these relative equal lows below us. And we're just bouncing in between two P arrays. So I'm not just going to take the first setup that I see. I'm going to let that narrative just build and build. But we'll see what this would have done. So we hit that 5 minutes so that wouldn't break even. Hold on. Yeah, I at least thought we'd do that. Do that as much. Hit that break even. There's kind of a short right here. Go down to this little key low container here. Straws above her booty hole. Jam open lower until okay, hold on. Okay. I'm liking being bearish now. We inverse this leg here. We got relative equal lows below. Now I just don't know what we're gonna use to take us there. Bro, are we gonna deliver from something or? Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, I just had to ruin it. Okay. 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 Come on, yes. Be rejecting something. I'm not loving this on yes, but I'm liking it on NQ. Oh, come on, buddy boy. I mean, we swept some of this LR. I mean, I'd like it for value gap or something. This is just like a mech model with trend. We got beautiful external targets. Good R and everything. Let me see if this is actual close through. Come on, bro. Okay, that is a full close through. It's like I love this trade, all but one thing. It doesn't really feel like external to internal. It's kind of like internal to internal. Yeah, no. Plays out though. Yeah. I'm getting out this thing. No trades. Honestly, none worth going over that I loved. I'll give it a little brief walkthrough because I'm curious about this one here. What's this? Time of this? No, we just closed to the 1 hour. Nah, man. Juicy. Look at this daily gap right here. It's about 130 points away. I'm feeling pretty bearish. We got some LR built up here. I would love to see an open high, open high, low close, open high. Open high, low. I don't fucking know. We got a 1 hour gap above. Let's see, tapped out. We got an SMT with the ATM. All right, let me throw this in the journal. Just gonna be quick. Should be like, just be like 19, 22. External DOL. Boards. Flow. Yeah, that'll do. Boy. Actually sucks knockers. No. Yo, you can't even see me. What the fuck? It's 'cause I'm sitting so low in my chair. Can you hear me? Yeah. It does not go like that. My heart. Holy shit, that looks a lot further. But are you absolutely dead ass serious? Are you dead ass absolute serious? Mac model. No, actually, it played out. CSR Dangery. Oh my god, bro. the fudge? Alright. We hit the external draw on liquidity. We have a 15-minute above, 2-minute inversion, paired with some LR. I'm about to get super cucked, I already know it. Yeah, oh yeah, 10 a.m. news. Data high? I'm gonna rip this mech model. Looks good. Sadly, we got no entries all the way into our draw on liquidity. Now ours a little bit too suspicious. Internal rush from T. I like it. Data high above. Alright. Yeah. Knew it was gonna happen, man. Where are we going? This is a bad mech model because we already filled the 5-minute gap. That was low-key continuation. It's like, why are we trying to target the continuation high? Super unfortunate. I do like this week though. This mech model did look pretty solid. Journalists, I'll go do a quick little weekly recap. Mega loss. Now getting an entry. Extreme. Can you hear me here? Oh, we really got no entries off any of that. I know we got an L from that. That's even worse. Yeah, I think this is a bad mech because we already tapped this 5-minute. Then we came down. I guess we hit our new key level. Now we can rebalance even further. But we distributed how much? Actually, not even that much. Definitely not gonna be taking any more mechs like that because I do feel like that happens a good bit. Weekly stats. Twin, 1L. 2 weeks break even. Honestly, love this trade. That looks super good. Was there any trades to take this day? I scuffed that PDI, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. From there, look for that bearish draw. What happened here? Okay, that's good enough. Did we hit a key level here? Oh yeah, no, that's when I was was it even Wednesday? No, goofy Nick. It's Tuesday. Huge SMT. Yeah, I just didn't want to take a long off. Just that, and then I seen there was that 1 hour above too. Maybe you could have took this. Yeah, this one was clean. That's nothing. Here we re-came down. Let's see all that LRN. This is definitely a dumbass loss. I should have not taken that. I don't know, what are we delivering from here? I wish I was looking at. Well, let's check out the stats. More break even than ever. 54.94. We're up 4.5 in like August. 8 months? Okay. If we want to make 4.5K a year, maybe we could make this work a little bit. 8.8%, 54.94, 24 break even, 38.32. Could have been profit break even. I don't know how that works. Ideal RR23. Yeah, what I want to see is the monthly. The monthly. Win here, loss here, win here, loss here, 2 wins there. May look to chill. I need to average about 5% a month. I'm just kidding. That's just numbers. Like 2 winning trades a week would be ideal. It's 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 times 250. That would be $2,000. Yeah. How much percent would that be? I don't know. Oh God. Who's my July? What happened? 2 losses, no trade, 1 trade, loss, 2 trades. Two dubs and an L. That's 3 and 2. 5 and 3. 5 and 3 in a month. Man, I don't know, guys. We're gonna see what's gonna go. It's gonna go on. Damn, 47 minutes I've been doing this for? Dog, I need to go do something else. I'll catch you guys later. Man, I gotta fix this shit. Time will tell. We'll see what's going on. Cause I need to fix. I mean, I could just buy an eval now, but it's like, what's the point, bro? If you know you're break even, you're not making no money, gang. You wrap it up. Might as well save you $50. But we'll see. All right, I'll catch you guys later.